Hey viewers, I want to give a shout out to SRAM for their customer service. I've been working on this bike, an old Bianchi here, and it's got these RockShox Mag 20 forks on there from 1992, so 30-year-old forks. They're kind of bottoming out, and I figured I could service them, maybe add some oil, some air in there, hoping I could refurbish them and get them working again. I went online to look for service information. What I found instead was that there was a recall on these forks dated around 1995. Apparently the crown of the fork was prone to cracking. And so I'm like, okay, that's not real safe. So I called SRAM, not really expecting much for 30-year-old forks, and to my surprise, they were actually honoring the recall. I wasn't sure what they were to do for me. Maybe they're sending me a new crown or something. I didn't know. But what they did was they actually sent me a brand new fork. So let me show you what I got. So this is the fork that they sent me. It's not a hand fork or anything, but it's a cool fork. It's got a lockout. It's a modern fork. Unfortunately, this is not going to work on this bike. The original fork had a 1-inch threaded steer on it. The new fork has a 1 1/8 inch threadless steer on it. Now I can go from threaded to threadless, but I can't go from 1 inch to 1 1/8 inch. This just is not going to fit inside the head tube with all the headset parts in there. So this is not going to work. And even if I could get the headset stuff to work, mounting this fork on here would raise the front end of the bike up probably about 4 inches, completely changing the geometry of the bike. So that's another reason why this fork is not going to work on here. So I'll still need to find a replacement fork for this bike, and I'll find something, not a big deal. I did not expect SRAM to have like a 30-year-old fork lying around their warehouse or parts or anything like that for that, but that they honored a 30-year-old recall at all, I am just amazed. So while this fork will not fit on this bike here, I am sure they'll find something to do with it in the future. I'll find another bike that needs a fork and I can use this on that one instead, or use this to upgrade something. But anyway, again, a shout out to SRAM for honoring that 30-year-old recall. I just think it's just totally cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Hopefully you found this video useful or interesting. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down there. Be sure to click the bell so you get notified when new videos come out. I'm over on Facebook, RJ the Bike Guy. Go over there, like that page. I post a lot of stuff over there. Anyway, thank you guys very much for watching.